Alright, boys. Y'all seen us play Call of Duty. Y'all seen us play Apex. Y'all seen us play Rust. But today we're playing with real guns. Real man weapon.
Hey, open the fucking door for me, bro.
Oh shit, I forgot. They have little Nino lock.
Little Nino over here.
Oh my god. God damn. This is our first time at a shooting range, bro. I felt like I was back in the hood.
I told Buddha to fucking help me.
I mean, you can still pick it now. I already picked up some ammo.
There's still some right here.
Damn. They look like pilot headphones.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
You got fire protection?
Yeah, we gotta go to Iraq.
My back.
Yeah, well, put them on, buddy.
You don't really need it.
Put them on, buddy.
No.
All right, I'm reporting you. Hey, don't cry to me when a piece of rock hits your eye, bro. There we go.
You ready to stay, Mark? No, that's you. You don't have anything?
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Iraq.
Huh? Those. I can hear everything on this.
Yeah, I like that.
Wait, you brought? We went the.
Omar just gave it to me, bro.
Alright, come here, bro. This is how you load it, alright?
Okay, demonstrate.
Demonstrate.
Oh.
So you do this.
Uh-huh.
Hey, put it like this.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah.
He's showing me. He's showing me. So yes.
Oh shit, I got it. Alright,
Okay.
Alright. Then you just do this.
Uh-huh.
Now it holds 6 shots.
Holy shit.
Let's see.
6 shots, bro. Oh shit.
Excuse me, Cody.
So hold 6 shots.
Alright, who wants to go first?
Well, here, give us. You do it first. Show us how to do it.
That's your protective earbud?
Alright, you might want to get back, bro.
I was about to say. Let me get the angle.
Hey, it works, bro.
What the fuck? God damn.
Alright? Alright.
Oh shit,
Alright, let me see how you do it, bro. Yeah.
Alright.
God damn.
These are also some.
So you said.
Yeah.
Up here.
Uh-huh. And then press the button.
Press this one.
Yeah.
You're ready to fire. So for me,
You can do it. There you go. Now you load in.
Back.
Yeah.
One at a time.
you're ready.
On.
Loading. Bang. You put your thing on the trigger.
2.
So,
Make sure it's in right.
Yep. 2.
Alright.
it's fine if it's like this.
3. And then.
Alright. Alright, bro. Alright. Hold
like
on.
this.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Hold the
yeah,
camera.
yeah.
Bro. Hold the camera. Alright. Alright.
Get your.
Miss.
I'm gonna just shoot one right now.
Alright. Shoot it. Shoot it. Hold it tight, bro.
Ah, fuck.
Hold on, wait. Oh, you're in here.
Hold on. Yeah. Hold on.
Okay. Nah, that's clean as fuck. Fucking has a kick. Really? Pooh, dead.
Deceased.
Unalive.
I'm alive, bro.
6 feet underground.
Oh, damn. You hit the
There you go, bro.
Getting buried.
Bro, you're holding it like a pussy.
Agárralo like a normal gun. Like we hold the guns before. Dale.
Shoot, right?
Yeah, just shoot.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
He's out.
Oh, did it jam?
Oh, shit, it's jammed.
Okay, hold up, you jam.
Yeah, you place it like that while it's pointing that way.
Alright.
He's out?
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, that's the last one.
God damn.
Yeah, ain't that?
I'm gonna try to use the speed limit right now.
What is that? What is it?
So you put the ammo right here.
Yeah.
And then you do this. Basically twist it in.
Ah, okay.
So we're gonna do that right now. Come to my factory, bro.
The what?
Alright, so this.
Yep. Cock it back.
Yeah. Make sure there's no
Extra bullets in there.
Basically simple.
Put
sure
it
it's
in. Here, load it.
Yeah. And you just.
Are they all the same?
Yeah. Hook over it.
You want
over
it?
it? Yeah.
Alright. Hold it.
Do I just click on the button first?
You can click on the button, or you could just do that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you're using both hands to hold it. Yeah, like that. All right, you're good. Now you can point and shoot.
Huh?
I
hit one.
showing him, bro.
Oh, you're showing
Yeah,
him.
I'm showing him.
My fault, G.
A little lower. Like, yeah. No revolver.
Damn, bro. 257. Shit hits hard.
I hit
Remember,
one with your
align
pistol.
those three things. Whatever's on the end point on top, you're gonna hit. But you have to align it. It has to be symmetrical.
That was close.
I just gotta pack the
That's right. We need to put more on. You look sharp as fuck with that.
Fucking. We got Mohammed over here.
Oh shit, we had on.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah, that's a loader.
Ah.
So we just do this, bruh. There you go. I'm gonna show you how to.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I kind of missed this. I mixed in the specials with the other ammo. So
The specials?
yeah, the specials are way stronger than.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
But I say they look thicker. Holy fuck.
Burn the pace on
Look at that.
This one's stronger.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. All right. So this is how you're supposed to do it,
Yep.
and then you twist it. It gets separated.
Ah, okay.
Look how different the bullets are, bro.
I was gonna say, yeah, some of them look taller, thicker.
Okay. You could either do this, you know,
Don't put it too much on your shoulder.
like this. You put it in,
Uh-huh.
twist it to the right.
This area right here.
Oh
Where
shit!
you feel more
And there, it didn't work because
How about tight grip on your
these bullets aren't meant for.
Yeah,
So like this.
oh.
Oh shit! That was the special right there.
And you can feel the...
Yes, sir.
Ah. All of them?
Yeah, you don't have to like pull the
Thing back?
cannon.
Yeah, let's go.
But I usually like doing that because it's more accurate. But it takes way too long back a bunch, bro. All right, there you go.
Yeah, you should.
What if I don't?
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
Ah.
Certified, bro.
Ah. Ah.
You almost got it. Just a little bit more to the left.
Alright. I can flip one of those. Watch. Is that all straight on this?
Yeah.
Pretty straight?
Yep.
Alright, don't lie to me, Jill. Where am I shooting? Is it going that way?
No, that's the other gun.
No way. Almost. Shit.
Let me get these.
He didn't hit shit.
We got get more.
Rosa.
Top angle.
All scared as shit.
What the fuck? I see everybody go bing, bing, and out of nowhere.
Hey, but are you down?
Yeah.
I haven't seen him yet.
Oh, you haven't seen him?
Nope.
All right.
Right here.
Shooting the shotgun.
Oh, okay.
Ready.
Oh my god. Let's do this.
I've seen this.
Alright.
I'm watching this. Alright. Oh, I still got some right here. Button. Make it quicker.
I don't like holding the remote, bro.
It hurts your wrist?
Oh, it's too fat.
Oh!
Bigger than mine, bro. Don't fit
Watch
my
out, bro.
hand.
You might get bruises later tonight.
Bro, I'm about to be. Oh, I thought you were gonna shoot
No, I'm just trying to figure out how to hold it.
it. Oh.
Like, what's the best way to hold it? You Yeah,
Uh,
because this is weird on.
Be like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did I hit him? I don't know.
It's cold.
Camera.
Look at that. Ah, only missed one.
Yep. Only me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't the gun on camera yet.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Hey, that wasn't enough. They all missed.
One hand? One hand?
Yeah.
One hand, bro. Did it one hand, bro.
He was like this. He literally.
Stupid.
What is that? What? That's badass. Look at that. Huh?
No, don't tell me to get all the fucking.
Yeah, I gotta keep our earth clean.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed some.
Don't worry.
Oh. Well, that shit's pretty fucking clean.
Yeah, bro. Alright. Plan B.
Pick them up by hand.
Yes, sir.
I'll push it. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
I thought that was a little faster.
Exactly.
Ready?
Okay, too, bro.
Fuck out the way, man. We're clean.
What's good, bro?
See Breezy Lover Girl.
We got the specials right here, bro. Guys.
It's a POV, damn. There you go.
That's why we're gonna go to.
I don't like it there.
Oh shit! I was looking at myself.
No.
Loaded?
Yeah, it's loaded.
Are these like heavier?
Oh, they pack more of a punch, bro. Oh, you can even hear it.
Ah, it was. He got away, but he didn't get away.
That's fine. It's
Wanna try the
pretty
special?
like this.
Did you like it?
Dude, that was fucking clean, bro.
It's a POV Dance Linus.
Yo, hey Jim. Yeah. All right.
The special?
These are more like powerful.
I'm gonna get both of your angles. Hold on. Yo, he's gonna shoot me. Wait for him.
All right. Hold on.
He's taking forever,
Are
bro.
you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Aww.
This is why they call me Cowboy Joe, bro.
They call him Cowboy Joe for a reason, bro.
This is why she rides me like a cowboy.
What? You mind throwing this in the bin?
I do. What's he doing?
Oh, I know what he's doing. He's doing the cowboy jump.
Damn. Oh yeah, it looks good. Oh hell yeah, it looks good.
Jam? No. That was it, bro.
He's letting it rip.
I love shooting this gun, bro.
Dude, that one's fucking nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think that's my favorite one.
Yeah, dude. If you go back to Mississippi and you fucking buy a gun, make sure to get a Smith & Wesson, bro. or a 45. If you get a 45 and bring it here, that'll be nice.
About to say.
Because
One-handed too.
my gun has safety triggers.
Oh,
You can't just like properly, you know.
oh, he hit that. Oh,
So,
oh.
Do this again, bro.
It's already. Hold on.
yeah.
Sorry, I missed one shot, bro.
About to say, bro. That's so good though. Okay, sorry, there.
So much. That's why.
Yeah.
Like you always put it in the hole.
One-handed hot jail.
Yeah, I could do it one-handed.
Nah, it's crazy. Like
Bro,
that,
he did one-handed and missed one bullet, bro.
They call him Cowboy Joe, bro.
Yeah, that's why they call him Cowboy Joe. Not Jamie Purse, not intern,
Not DJ Ghost.
not DJ Ghost.
You remember DJ Ghost, bro?
I do remember.
Man, what happened to DJ Ghost, bro?
Bro, I used to love DJ Ghost. What happened to him?
I don't know, bro. I think he started rapping and shit. Called himself intern. What?
Ah.
If I had to.
Fuck, almost hit it.
I hit that little one. I hit the little one. I flipped it. I think that's it. Yep.
We're shooting up in here. Dude, I'm not used to Omar's gun. That's the thing.
Oh, that's a baby gun. Let me see.
Sometimes it gets stuck. Yeah. So you can either.
No wonder I was able to see better, bro.
Get your finger off the goddamn trigger, boy. God damn it. Oh God, what the fuck, bro?
Works for ISIS.
Bro, he's
Stop
loading the
getting
gun
bro.
while he's ready to shoot, bro. Fucking idiot, man.
I know what I'm doing. Oh shit, one-handed, bro? No way.
One-handed. Oh shit.
Okay, so yeah, just load it up first. Oh, you know what you're doing? Damn. Again, I'm not recording.
The lever, all the way down to shoot.
Uh-huh.
Safety is up. Load the magazine. Cock it back. Ready to shoot.
Sure. Yeah, you got that?
No. What?
Oh.
Somebody?
So how I was doing it, it just came out.
Camera guy, look at.
Yep.
This is the tiny one, but it has the same notch as the big ones.
Okay.
You rest it up here, and then you push it a little bit back down to where it clicks,
Okay, okay.
and then
Push it down.
again, lever down,
Load it up.
load it up. I'm ready.
Banker. Oh my god.
Hit.
He actually hit that. That was crazy.
I didn't see the tutorial. How do you
Hey,
do it?
he didn't see the tutorial.
Oh, he didn't. Okay.
So, hey, relax, bro. It's not that serious.
This is notch right here.
Damn.
God damn.
Hold it steady, bro. Don't
Try
let
to,
it bitch.
motherfucker. Hello, dude. There you go.
Oh, we got that shit.
Yeah. Come on, it's done.
Hold on, let me get a video you send to your girlfriend.
Oh, hold on.
I'm right here. Nah.
Oh, you want me to check it on your phone?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, why you creeping up on Lewis's page?
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Oh my god, suspense.
Oh, really? Yeah. Oh,
There you
okay.
go. All the way back. Ready. I hit you.
Up.
You're in the grass, bro.
Yeah, I feel like I'm shooting the grass, bro.
I didn't even hear him.
He's next, bro.
What?
Did you know him?
Oh,
Oh,
my
shit.
phone?
Oh, you're talking and shit? Okay,
Doing
so
this right.
this notch right here, get it where it's clicked on, and then you just push it back into here and click. It's in. All right, it's good.
Good.
Now, safety down. Perfect.
down.
Cock it all the way back. Release. There you go. Ready.
Say hello to my little friend.
Give a fuck. You got one.
What did you get?
Another one. Ah. Oh, hold on.
Can I put the safety on?
What happens, bro?
Safety on.
Okay.
Unload it?
Man, what am I? I'm fucking holding this like a bitch, bro. Come on now.
Damn, how many did I hit?
Shit, bro.
Huh?
It's like
Do it
four.
too.
Excuse me? So sorry.
Look at Mr. Afghanistan.
1, 2, 3.
There.
Yep.
40 bucks a bottle.
Makes me feel like
Safety off. Reloading.
Okay, I'm good. I want to go.
Get her done.
Yeah, I want to do it this time.
There we go.
Now you're starting?
Yep. That was easy to hit. I want to hit the farther one.
Yeah, those farther ones are way fucking hard.
Dude, they look further than that little fucking people, bro.
Oh, safety off. Below that, bitch. Where you going? Fuck, you going?
Got it too, bro. That's
Fuck, he's running away.
Yo, what's got it?
Ah!
You got two. You're out.
Yeah, I was get two, and that's it.
That's it.
Alright. Safety
Yeah,
on.
he's got one, bro.
Forward. Out. I only learn from the best.
What?
Oh, did? I got the other one.
Oh. Yo, the eight. Nice, bro.
Oh shit, hold on, I missed it. Oh, there we go.
I don't.
I think I hit two.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no one's been able to hit that farther one. Nope. But the king right now, the president.
Now's the time.
The president.
Oh, I got it. The far right one. I got it. Right? No, he didn't. He's like, Oh, I got it! I saw that.
I saw that.
I didn't see it.
I got it on camera. Mama, get the camera.
We almost got that one again.
Damn. I'm touching it, bro.
Oh, look to the left high.
Ooh. Ooh.
Too high.
He's out.
Oh.
Yeah. Last one.
Now he's out.
We're shooting just what you shooting.
Yeah.
I got all three over there at the end.
About to say. And the farthest one too.
How's the motherfucker, bro?